Are you tired of feeling like your bank account has a leak you just can't find, especially when you're trying to balance a family budget? When I first downloaded Rocket Money, I thought I had a decent handle on our household spending, but I quickly realized how much was slipping through the cracks. Between the kids' streaming services, forgotten gym memberships, and those free trials that definitely weren't free anymore, we were losing hundreds of dollars a year. After using the app to manage our family finances for the past few months, I've found a few specific strategies that move the needle more than others. 1. The subscription audit. The first thing I did was head straight to the recurring tab. For families, this is where the bloat lives. I found 3 different Paramount Plus accounts because we forgot which email we used, and a toy subscription box we hadn't opened in months. I used the cancel for me feature for the stubborn ones, but even just seeing them all in one list allowed me to sit down with my spouse and decide what we actually used. We cut $65 a month in under 10 minutes. 2. Smart budgeting by category. Instead of setting a generic spending limit, I used the app to create specific buckets for things like school activities and bulk groceries. The best tip here is to set up alerts. Rocket Money notifies me when we've hit 50% or 80% of a specific budget category. This prevents the end-of-the-month panic where you realize you spent the grocery money on a Target run for school supplies. 3. Negotiating the hidden bills. I gave the app permission to negotiate our internet and cell phone bills. For a busy parent, sitting on hold with an ISP for an hour is a non-starter. Rocket Money took care of it and knocked $20 off our monthly internet bill without me changing our plan. That's $240 back in our pockets annually for doing absolutely nothing. 4. Tracking the net worth view. It sounds fancy, but for a family on a budget, seeing our net worth helps us focus on debt. I linked our car loan and our credit cards. Seeing the total debt number go down as we cut subscriptions became a game for us. It shifted our mindset from how much can we spend to how much can we save. 5. Customizing expected spending. The app predicts your upcoming bills. I check this every Sunday night. It tells me exactly how much money is safe to spend after accounting for the mortgage and utilities that haven't come out yet. This eliminates the guesswork of whether we can afford a pizza night on Friday or if we need to hold off. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.